Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be a sort of two-part video. It's going to start with 3 scary signs that your iPhone might have been hacked. And then also I want to go over two-factor authentication for the Apple ID. Having your iPhone hacked is one of the most terrifying thoughts. Considering all of the private data that you have stored on your phone, everything from contacts to photos, keeping your phone as protected as possible should be a priority. But how would you even know if your phone has been compromised? Watch out for these 3 scary signs that your phone has been hacked. Number 1, your phone gets slow. The most common thing that happens when an iPhone gets hacked is that it slows down dramatically. Often this happens what feels like overnight. This is either because a malware has changed the program or that is running in the background and taking up CPU usage. Number 2, high data usage. Often if an iPhone gets hacked, it will increase its data usage a lot, often by double or triple the amount. This is most often caused by, again, a malware that is collecting personal information and sending it back to the receiver. You can look at your data usage per app to check what app finds out that could potentially be standing out as submitting too much information. Number 3 is pop-ups. If all of a sudden you begin to experience spammy pop-ups more than usual, it could be a sign that your device is compromised. If this is the case, you probably have a malware called adware. It makes the device show you specific ads that drive revenue through clicks that you're making. So, how do we prevent all these things from happening? Well, this is the part 2 to the video, two-factor authentication for Apple. Two-factor authentication is an extra layer of security for your Apple ID designed to ensure that you're the only person who can access your account even if someone knows your password. How it works. With two-factor authentication, only you can access your account on a trusted device or the web. When you want to sign into a new device for the first time, you'll need to provide 2 pieces of information: your password and a 6-digit verification code that's automatically displayed on your trusted devices or sent to your phone number. By entering the code, you verified that you trust the new device. For example, if you have an iPhone and are signing into your account for the first time on a newly purchased Mac, you'll be prompted to enter your password and the verification code that's automatically displayed on your iPhone. Because your password alone is no longer enough to access your account, two-factor authentication dramatically improves the security of your Apple ID and all the personal information you store with Apple. Once signed in, you won't be asked for a verification code on that device again unless you sign out completely, erase the device, or need to change your password for security reasons. When you sign in on the web, you can choose to trust your browser, so you won't be asked for authentication code, verification code, the next time you sign into that computer. So, to set up two-factor authentication for your Apple ID, go to Settings, Your Name, Password and Security, tap Turn on Two-Factor Authentication, tap Continue, enter the phone number where you want to receive the verification codes when you sign in. You can choose to receive the codes by text message or automated phone call. Tap Next. Enter the verification code to verify your phone number and turn on two-factor authentication. Here's a couple questions I get asked a lot about two-factor authentication. Can you turn off two-factor authentication once it's turned on? If you already use two-factor authentication, you can no longer turn it off. Certain features in the latest version of iOS and Mac OS require this extra level of security, which is designed to protect your information. If you recently updated your account, you can unenroll within 2 weeks of enrollment. Just open your enrollment confirmation email and click the link to return to the previous security settings. Keep in mind this makes your account less secure and means that you can't use features that require higher security. Not only that, I strongly recommend two-factor authentication. As I've said, it's a second level of protection. It protects your phone from malware, adware, stuff like that. So that's my video on signs that your iPhone has been hacked and two-factor authentication. The iPhone and Apple itself is a very secure device. Most of them, Apple prides themselves in security and the ability of no one being able to get into your private information. So having the two-factor authentication turned on is a great idea. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.